So I got a 2014 3.5 EcoBoost in an F-150. I'm doing a timing job and I'm using the Cloyes kit that the customer supplied. Here's the part number of the kit. I've installed almost everything. Okay, I've got everything installed, but the main thing is we've got one black solenoid and one blue, and another black and a gray. Well, the stock ones were in it like this: gray on the passenger exhaust, black on the passenger intake, gray on driver's intake, black on driver's exhaust. This kit comes with a blue one, and it is actually a little different. It's got an O-ring where the other ones do not. This is how I'm going to put it, because really this can only go in either the passenger exhaust or the driver's intake. And being online, I found places, I found a forum where a guy ran into the same thing, but nobody responded. And on Rock Auto, there's brands that are also blue that specify that it is right-hand exhaust. So I'm gonna put it together like this and hope that it works out. I'll show you guys if it works out. That way, if you run into this, you know where to put it. But I'll show you if I'm getting any codes and how the truck is running. Okay, I got the engine all back together. I've test driven it, running for quite a while. Engine's running great. So the blue solenoid is on the passenger exhaust. I'll show you here in a second, but everything is working correctly, no codes, and good to go. So this is really hard to find on the internet. Hopefully this helps you. Okay, here's the engine. Blue solenoid on the passenger exhaust. Okay, and you can see here, I have no on-demand or continuous memory DTCs. It shows the PCM passed.